What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Jared, aka the Rogue Vet here. We're gonna go check out a car meet for this video. Just thought I'd bring you some cool little events that we can, do. It's been a minute since I've posted. Just thought I'd get some content out. Hopefully we'll see a couple guys out there with some nice whips. But anyway, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And let's just go ahead and head that way so we can go ahead and see who's there. All right. More open highway. Barely nobody on the road. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, he want to race? Oh, he want to race? Go, Mozzie, go! Yeah, that's sad. Alright, guys, so as you can see, I just pulled up to the meet. Sorry about my tired face. I had a late night. Didn't go to bed until like 3 a.m. with the Peeps, but it was fun as heck. But anyway, guys, cars behind us. I'm gonna start just going around, getting the rounds of the cars, and I'll put the drone up so we can get some cool aerial footage and see if anyone else comes. So, yeah. All right, there you can see, there's the daily right there. But we're gonna start off. There's a really nice Shelby GT500 right here. As you can see, it's got a lot of nice engine bay dress up. It's got the two little cars right there too. But pretty nice example of Shelby GT500, as you can see. Blue scheme, like the chrome Shelby wheels. You can see that. Snake and everything. But it looks pretty nice, pretty nice. That's Shelby. Ooh, I know y'all in here are not, Mustang guys, because I am a Corvette channel, basically, the Rogue Vet. But hey, I had a Terminator before, and I always mention it all the time. I have a love for the Shelbys, like the SVT Cobra, those. Oh boy, our boy Wesley showed up. Here's his whip right here, looking nice. Big Wayne gang, wide body. Here we go. The stance on your ride is insane. It's so low. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It's freaking low. You gotta watch all types of speed bumps and potholes, because he will bottom out. Like straight up. Straight up.
I just bought myself my first.
Alright, it's still early. I'm sure other people will come, but got a nice 1314 Mustang 5.0 right here. And then one of the newer style Mach 1s. These are pretty nice. Not sure if he's done anything to it. I don't really know the newer ones, but I like the aero, the front splitter, the side skirts, the rear wing, stuff like that. Looks pretty nice. I like the Mach 1 badging, as you can see right there. But they're pretty clean. Pretty clean. You can see both of them right there. All right, so we got the newer Mustang right here. I like the wheels on it. Those look pretty nice. As you can see, getting to focus. Is it a dark horse? I guess this is a dark horse. Like I said, I don't know too much. Oh yeah, it is a dark horse. Hold on, let me look. Right there. Duh. But like I said, I don't know too much about the newer ones. I just had an older one, the Terminator 03, but I haven't seen the dark horse in person. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Do y'all like the new style of this S650? I think that's what they call them, right? S650. I'll just keep making my way down the line. BMW M8, and then Shelby GT500, but newer. That's pretty nice. JLT air intake. He's got the aftermarket coolant reservoir. I like that dark gray color. It's pretty nice. Like all the Shelby, like in the front, as you can see there. Oh, but this one right here, I like this one. This is my favorite so far, because you already know I like the Z06, and I don't see many in the orange color. So this being orange C7 Z06, It's obviously a 17 and above because it has the taller lid. I'm thinking it's probably like a 19 or something, but I'll get a back shot here in just a second. Oh gosh, look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. And then the Z06 supercharged badging. Oh yeah, the Shelby. I like the nice Porsche 911 Carrera T. That looks freaking nice. I just want to point out on the Shelby, I didn't even see the Forge line drag wheels, as you can see, running with the Mickey Thompson's 305 45 18. Boy, that is a fat tire. He's got the Borla exhaust as well, as you can see right there. That's nice. That's real nice. Alright, we're gonna keep continuing on though. There's a nice Bentley and then another Mach 1 here, as you can see. It's got a nice kind of lighter color there, and then we got the King ZR1 right here himself. There's Eddie right there, that's the owner. But man, oh man. LS9 supercharged ZR1 C6. Like everybody's dream car right here. Black on black, looks insane. This is one of our buddies here. All right, and this is another one of our buddies here from the LSC group. We got Eddie right there in the red, and then we have Mark as well. I don't see him, he's probably somewhere, but I'll probably see him in a minute. But both sick, Grand Sport, everything done to it. Freaking centrifugal, supercharged cam, blah blah blah. I think E85 meth. You think of it, it's basically has it. It's crazy. So very, very nice. Very nice. Let me just take a quick engine bay shot in a sec. I'll get his wheel and tire package set up here just so you can see how beefy the backs are. Grand Sport. And then if you haven't already seen it, there it is in focus right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I don't know what's going on. It's like trying to come out of focus, but as you can see, two insane cars. Oh boy, we got a C6 Grand Sport. I don't know if he's blown. Kind of sounded like it. More Corvette action, C6 Grand Sport, so cool. Oh yeah, it's blown. Little shot of the interior. It's got the nice little gauge pod for the boost and stuff. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. That is nice. Real nice. Boost. Oh, the plane's coming in. Oh, snap. Flying overhead. Woo! As you can see, so this is the garage, like the area basically that they do all the PPF and detailing and stuff like that. But just trying to show y'all a couple of the cars that they got showcased here. Porsche 911 Turbo S, as you can see. That Dark Horse, another Mach 1 in that same similar color. And they got a couple of BMWs over here. Mini S. I like the red M4. Look at that. Edition Heritage. I like that red interior. We get a back shot of the rear here, as you can see. This is the wide angle lens, so you kind of see a bigger area. M3. That's really nice. Alright guys, some of these cars in here, pretty cool. I dig the LED lights, kind of like my garage and other people's LSC garages in the group. That looks pretty cool. Pretty dope. I'm gonna go back out and see who else is here so we can get more footage and I'm with the drone. Alright, we've got a couple more cars that showed up. We got an M5 here, Cadillac. Probably an AT4. I'm not too familiar with the Cadillacs. I'm not sure if it's a V. Could be a V. I can take a look at the back, but another BMW here. An IROC Z. You don't see these too often here, so that's pretty cool to see. Holy cow, dude, that thing's huge. And we got a nice single cab F-150. Not sure all what's done to this one. It's got like tint and other stuff, wheels, tires, stuff like that, but not bad, pretty nice. Alright guys, so as y'all could have saw earlier in the video, y'all saw the plane fly overhead. It didn't just make sense in my mind that we're by the San Antonio International Airport, literally like right over there. I can't fly the drone because it'll basically just say, you know, restricted area, San Antonio International Airport. So sucks. I can't fly the drone because we're next to the airport. Unless I want to be basically hunted down by the FBI and it hits a plane and yeah. So sorry about that guys. Next video, hopefully we won't be near a restricted airspace so I can fly the drone. But otherwise, video's still cool. So yeah.